Okay, so obviously when we use words that are complicated or are unclear, people aren't going to understand what we're communicating. That's very obvious. What happens is we try to link these words together, or we try to use this one word that means something to us, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything to anybody else. So what do we need to do? How do we solve this problem? Basically, it's so simple, it's kind of silly sometimes. All you have to do is seriously ask yourself, what do I mean? And if you have a sentence, or if you have a couple of words that you've chosen to describe whatever your topic is, look at each individual word and say, what do I mean? I have some examples below. I actually did some brainstorms myself, and you can see my thought process. And that's all you have to do. What do I mean? And the bottom line is that we need to speak like sixth graders. People have different skills in English. Like I said earlier, some people know English as a second or third language. Some people don't have as high of an education. Some people do have a very high education, but words mean different things to different peoples in different fields. So we need to get down to this common element. And once you get down to the most basic element of communication, the most basic way that you can say something, you can ask yourself, would my grandmother understand this? Would my 11-year-old son understand this? And if so, then you're getting a lot closer. So in summary, literally sit down and ask yourself, what do I mean? And write it out, just like I did below. And I promise you will find clarity a lot faster.